भाई यार सरकार ने ये बर्बाद कर दिया यार। देखिए पूरे जगह सड़कों में कचरा पड़ा है, क्या कर रही है गवर्नमेंट? ये भी सरकार की वजह से यार। भाई माता वजह से नहीं, ये भी सरकार की वजह से यार। नमस्कार। This is the biggest myth of the Indians. We think these all things that is happening, it is because of the government. Let me take you the point. How? We are thinking the city is not clean just because of the government. It is our biggest myth. It is because of its citizen. The government had provided complete infrastructure of collecting waste and kept each and everywhere as possible. And we are just throwing waste on the land, thinking that it is our birthright. This is the biggest problem of Indian. They are just urinating, spitting here and there, just thinking that there is their birthright. Okay, भाई ये मेरी जमीन है, हमारा देश है, हम कहीं भी फेंकें तो मैं क्या? Then why you are blaming the government for each and every problem that you are facing? Because of cleanliness, the malaria, the dengue that we are facing, just because of lack of cleanliness. The government had provided dustbins, but you are just keeping your waste outside the dustbin instead of just putting it inside. And the next myth, the women are not safe because of the government. No, it is also the myth. Now someone will say, भाई कैसे यार? मेरे को समझ नहीं आया। मैं बताता हूँ। Not even a single government can safeguard women for 24/7. It's the citizen who can safeguard the other citizens of their own country. Like they have provided laws, but it is because of the dirtiness of your brain, because of the lack of freedom for the women. You have just kept this thing in your mind that women are weak, but they are not. This is because of your mindset. It is not because of the government. And the next thing, the unemployment. भाई यार बेरोजगारी बहुत बड़ी है यार, क्या करें यार? सरकारी गंदी है यार, नौकरी नहीं दे। भाई तेरे पास स्किल नहीं है, यू डोंट हैव एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ स्किल, और तुम्हें कुछ करना भी नहीं है। हमें भाई गारंटीड शॉर्ट गवर्नमेंट जॉब चाहिए, बट इट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल इन द कंट्री लाइक इंडिया। यू शुड हैव स्किल्स बिकॉज देयर आर मिलियंस ऑफ जॉब। एंड भाई तुम्हारे स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई है। भाई मैंने ग्रेजुएशन की है, इंजीनियरिंग की, सॉफ्टवेयर से, कोडिंग, वो क्या होता है यार? वो तो कभी स्कूल वालों ने सिखाई नहीं। यू आर जस्ट ब्लेमिंग एट ईच एंड एवरी प्लेस टू द अदर इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट नोइंग दैट इट्स योर फॉल्ट, इट्स नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। You just want each and everything to be done by the government, but you are not doing even a single thing. What are the real problems that government can fix? Let me drag your attention towards that. The delay in the justice. This is the thing that government can fix. Like a person had filed a case in 2010, but he had got the justice in 2024. And what is the need of the judiciary? Then what is the need of the laws in this kind of problem that government can fix? And the next thing, the politics. The politicians are that much old that they have just passed out decades to become that level. So their mindset are also degraded to that level. Say, I am not commenting on any of a person. I am just saying there should be a certain amount of seats that should be reserved for the youth, so that they can also come and participate and make all the laws and take part in this nation building. And the next thing that government can fix out is the problem that the judiciary is in the hands of the rich people. They always take favor of the rich people. This is the biggest problem. And all the decision making power is in the hand of the rich people. Let me give you a 2 to 3 example of that. The car crash case. He had just written the essay. भाई अमीर है, बहुत पैसा है ना? And the next, in recent time we can see, भाई एक आदमी मर चुका है और ये सिंह भाई कोई बड़ी बात नहीं हुई, बहुत छोटी बात है। तो we are in the myth bubble. These are the problems. You just need to fix your brain first. It is the mythist bubble of your brain. Like this. क्या सोचा था ये पॉकेट स्क्वायर है? नहीं, ये पेपर है। You are in that same myth bubble. You are not thinking that what is your problem, but just fix from your side first. Then only government can fix that all rest of problem. I am not saying government do not need to fix any sort of problem. The problem that I have mentioned. And being a citizen of India, now it's your responsibility to spread this video and open the eyes of each and every Indian as possible. Being an educated guy, it's your responsibility to do that. Let me give you one more thing. भाई education. भाई कोई बंदा illiterate है तो उसके खुद के हाथों का कर्म है, क्योंकि आज की डेट में इतने टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ने प्रोवाइड किए हैं। भाई सीएम राइस खोले हुए हैं और all the kind of schools. You should at least be this much literate that you can write and read. If you are in any sort of profession, these are the top-notch priorities that you should have. Many of the farmers got scammed just because of this only. They don't want to study. भाई तुम्हें हार्डवर्क करना नहीं हो, तुम्हें नौकरी चाहिए. How is it possible? Just keep this thing in your mind and just share this video. Being an Indian, if you are an Indian citizen and knows your potential, just share it and open the eyes of Indians and what they are lag behind just because of you yourself. Till then,